Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to go ahead and check your withdrawal status on eToro. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end, follow my steps correctly so you can make sure this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing we want to do is to go ahead and open up the official eToro website if you have not already. If you're using it on your mobile device, you can just go ahead and open up the application. So go to eToro.com if you haven't, and this is going to be the main page you're greeted by. So from here we can get started browsing the home page and joining the eToro application. If you have not already, you can just go ahead and log in the upper right corner. So the first thing you want to do is to go ahead and log into your account that you want to take a look at the withdrawal status from. So once you have done that, you are going to go ahead and be greeted by a different main page from where we can get started with accessing our account, and in the upper right corner you're going to be able to see your profile icon that you want to open up, and from your menu you're going to open up your dashboard. So as you can see here, we have an article on the official Help eToro website on how to go ahead and see our withdrawal funds guys and our withdrawal status. So basically, as you can see, check the status of your funds. We are going to go to your withdrawal dashboard to see if it was processed. So if it shows it was, the funds have been sent to you, and you can click to see a breakdown of the payment methods used. So in that case, you can go and contact your payment provider. But basically, as I just explained to you, you can go to the withdrawal dashboard. If you want a direct link, find this article and just open up this. It's going to open up the direct link, but you can also go ahead and access it directly from your profile right here, where you can go and take a look at your withdrawal status. So that's how it's done. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching. Take care and bye.